Hello, welcome to IMA. Meaning of 5-digit numbers on train coaches. I will explain. For example, if you have a train ticket, it shows the class you are traveling in, such as AC, sleeper class, etc. Suppose your ticket mentions A2. And when the train arrives, you need to find your coach. If you are looking for a 2 AC coach, you might check the 5-digit number above the coach door. But you may not know what it means. Similarly, if your ticket is for a sleeper class SL coach, you might look for coaches labeled SL, B1, B2, etc. However, if you don't understand the meaning of the 5-digit number, you might be unsure where to sit. I will explain this in detail. Let's get started. Introduction. Every train coach has a unique 5-digit number. This number provides important information about the train. It helps railway staff and passengers understand the train type. Breakdown of the 5-digit number. The number is divided into two parts. 1. Next to digits, year of manufacturing. 2. Last 3 digits, coach type and number. Hope you understood. Next to digits, year of manufacturing. These two numbers show the last 2 digits of the year the coach was made. Example, if the number is 15234, the coach was made in 2015. Hope you understood. Last 3 digits, coach type and number. These numbers identify the specific coach in the train. Example, if the number is 034, it means this is the 034 coach of this type in the series. Example, breakdown. Example number 22045. 22 indicates that coach was made in 2022. 045 indicates that this is the 045 coach of this type, AC first class. Hope you understood. Coach train picture. The first 2 digits simply show the year on which the train was made. Example, we can say this train was made in 1998 and its sleeper class from 5 digits. Hope you understood. The last 3 digits are very interesting and it indicate 001 to 050 AC first class, 051 to 100 AC second class, 101 to 150 AC third class, 150 to 200 AC chair class. Hope you understood. 201 to 400 sleeper class, 401 to 600 general class, 601 to 700 second class sitting, 701 to 800 luggage, 801 plus pantry, meal. You can identify the coach classes easily. Hope you understood. Summary. The 5-digit number on a train coach has a meaning. It helps identify the year of manufacture and coach type. Knowing this helps both passengers and railway staff. If you check the manufacturing year, you can assess whether the coach is in good condition or old. If needed, you can report any issues to the railway officer. Look carefully. Hope you understood. Thank you for learning about train numbers.